channel, Daisy Washege, and please do subscribe if you haven't, and put the notification bell on, and stay tuned. All right? Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to Daisy Washege channel. How have you been? Mimi nimekuwa poa. I'm doing good. This is day 2 in my trip in Pattaya, and I'm not sure yet where I want to go. I'm still looking around, but yes, it's good. You are going for a little bit of tour around the city. So I've been to Jomten Beach. I've been to Pattaya Beach. So I want to see some other more beaches here that you can visit if you want to come here. It's actually very good. It's not different from Malindi and Diani, but here it's so much better. Everything is better. So today, as I said here, it looks like Diani, okay? Yes, but much better and cooler. So today I'll be going to the ferry, and we'll be moving from this island in Pattaya, and we'll be going to Huayin. Huayin is another place, and it's very beautiful too, but I want to see for myself. I want to have the experience, the exposure. I want to know the difference between Pattaya and Huayin. I'll take you. So welcome as we go for a city tour, and let's go together as we go to the ferry, and I hope we enjoy our time in Huayin together, right guys? Okay, let's take a look at the city. Today we are going to the beach, so the outfit for today, I hope I look nice.
Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
I hope I look nice. It's so sunny here, so we have to put a hat to prevent our face from sunburn, and some shades too to cover our eyes. And I'm wearing Jordan 23 t-shirt and some tights and some open shoes because I'm going to the beach.
Gucci. Good sound.
So here we are on the pier. We are going to take a ferry. The ferryman just said it's going to take around 1 hour to get there. So I'm relaxing for waiting for the ferry. Okay. See you soon when you get to the island. Cheers! Look at the design of this boat. Wow, the design is incredible. It looks like a house. And you have ship, but the one that has caught my eye, the name is Oriental Ocean. The design is wonderful, amazing design. Yeah.
Schön, de.
Wow, we are here. It's like a speedboat lane. And this is a ferry lane. It's so organized here. Very organized. Very organized. For you to be able to maneuver yourself. Welcome to Poland.